oak dish turned from a closet door. So we're turning a dish from a closet door. And so a couple of years back, I had a custom handyman job to take care of. I needed to add a door to a hallway in a home. And that door just wouldn't fit the person. They purchased that door specifically because it was like, I guess a few people had purchased friends, and they were like really nice doors with, you know, glass on them, in them, and all that. And but that door would not fit the hall, so I had to build up around the entrance and frame it in. I leveled it so it opened and closed right. Added molding, you know, and painted it all up. So it took me a good while to get that job done that day. The customer was super happy, and yeah, it really came out nice. It was a door she had bought, like I said before, and she just simply wanted it to work for her home and in that particular spot. So, yeah, so originally that hall had oak closet doors. That was between the living room and going into the hall with bedrooms and bathrooms and whatnot. So once I finished up with the framing and adjusting, molding and painting, you know, I was all done. The customer said, "Look, I have no need for these closet doors, so would you like to take it with you? You know, take them with you?" And, well, they're oak. I thought to myself, you know, wow, I don't need more clutter at my place, but, you know, these are oak, and that's not bad lumber, you know. So I thought about it, and I figured, why not? So I loaded them into my truck, and then I just took them with me. When I got home, I unloaded the truck. I had a lot of tools and even a table saw to unload. You know, you have to gear up when you're doing handyman work. If you forget something, it could mean you losing the day or having to go to the big box store or wherever to purchase a tool or materials and so on. So yeah, I had a lot of stuff in that truck, plus the closet doors. So I got the closet doors out and decided to store them inside. I leaned them up against a wall indoors. But that kind of lasted for a little while, and they did end up leaning up against the walls outside the house, up against, against the house. So those closet doors sat there for 2 years just about. And I live in Florida, and it rains like nobody's business. Plus, you know, when it's not raining, we have the constant heavy-duty sun scorching everything for hours and hours. So lumber gets a real outdoor beating here. Last year we had a hurricane come through, and I moved the closet doors and set them leaning up against my workbench. I forgot to focus for a split second. I was cleaning up around the yard. The idea is to collect loose items that could fly away and become projectiles during a storm and all that. Well, I didn't know what I was doing at that particular moment, but I think I bumped into the closet door that was leaning up against the bench, and just they came down on my leg, my shin. I mean, full force, full oak hardwood force onto my leg, on my shin. I mean, it dented my shin. No joke. The pain was unbelievable. I thought I had messed my stuff up real bad. I did, but I healed up pretty good, actually, after that. So the piece is really nice because it has a story, and it's the first dish I made. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys next time. If you did enjoy and you want to learn more, just click the bell, subscribe, and we'll be back.